So let's get started, guys. Okay. So far what we have done is we learned how to do alteration for columns, data types, and all that. So let's diving into a new topic, and this is one of the you know frequently asked in the question into the question, and even the concept wise also it's very important. So it's joins. The concept is SQL joins. All right. So in SQL joins, primarily we had four joins. So if you know these things, these are pretty much enough. Inner join, left join, right join, and finally full join. RIGHT, right join and full join. Okay. So to support this, let me draw something for you quickly. Okay, let me use yeah, I can use anything. I can use PPT 4 point. I don't need this guy. Don't need this guy. Okay, insert shapes. If I go to circle, so I think use this. Let's say and go and edit format shape transparency. Okay, so imagine this is a table A. Okay, this is a table, and we have one more table. Insert shapes. Again, insert one more shape here. Format shape transparencies. Okay, so let me run it. Matching it. Okay, well, all right. So imagine there are like we also understood sets concept, right? So sets, like in your schooling days also you must have learned set A, set B, right? Yeah, right. So let us understand. For example, consider this as a sets, right? A set and B set. So let me write it here. Let's say insert text set A. Okay. So these all are set A, and let us also have one more set. That is set B. Set B. Okay, this is easiest concept, guys. Okay, But in general, everyone struggle here in this actually. So in reality, everybody will struggle. You got it? Then no meaning struggling here. Okay. Insert. Want to put some color here. How we can generate? Is there any pencil kind of thing? We do Miro actually. So Miro and Drive that will be very comfortable for us. Uh, let's say no, I cannot draw now. With paint I can do, right? 1 second. I think that's the best option, I guess. I cannot. Yeah, there is something we can see. Let me think how easiest way I can do it. Here it is something it's showing. 1 second. Where it will fill. No, I'll do one thing. I'll just save this or crop this out instead of struggling here. The easiest thing is copy and open paint. Got it. And now here we had a, see, we can use any brush here and take color. So for example, yeah, you can color it like this. It's like a kid is playing with it, right? Is there any option directly we can choose, select this area and then fill out? Yes, right, got it. And let me choose the other color. So, mm so this one, what I have to do is I want to change the color. So change the paint color. Okay. Is there any paint color actually? Okay, no problem. And if I want to change the color, oh, here, colors are there, right? Got it. Yep. So for example, let me use blue one, my favorite here. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Blue one, yes, got it. And so this like what we can say inner join and left join. So I want to do it left join and I want to do right join. Left join also has this filled out. Um, this is left join, right join, and full join. Yeah, we're good. So let me name it here. So the first one is inner join. Got it. And this one is left join. And this is right join. And this is like full join. Guys, got it? Okay. So let's understand, how this works. So first of all, let me take a note here. Or yeah, inner join. So what inner join does is, uh, inner join returns. I think let me inner join returns only the. Did you see this here, guys? Let's say imagine there's a table A and there's a table B. So here intersection is both the record matched with A and B, meaning both the records available in A and B both. You got it? What I mean? So here, this is the guys for joining. This is the result. So intersection means matching of A and B. If you see here, let's say left join, full A records and the records matched with B. Got it? And here, right join, full B record, every record of B and matched record of A, and full join every record from A and B. Make sense, huh? Clear, huh? This is the data. So this is the result of this actually. Inner join returns match, only the matched records, not elements actually, it's the records. Yeah, matched records or common records. You can say that matched records, or um, or you can say like inner join returns only the records, only the records that exist. This makes more sense. That exist in both tables. Makes sense, right? Yeah. Guys, got it, huh? See, so this is what it is. Okay, so when it comes to query, so imagine, let's say if you want to SQL query, I want to change the color. So query is when you want to do is select start from, let's say select start from table, let's say a table here, a inner join b on. So there is a, see, from a table and b table there is a what we can say unique relationship actually. So we can say like id, for example, okay, on a dot id equal to b dot id. Don't worry, we will learn these concepts. Okay, if you want, you can yeah, this is also fine. This is easy. Okay, that's clear, huh? So this is what the syntax, select start from a table, inner join b table on a table id, and where a table id and b table id, like we were matching. You got it? This is what the result of this is. It would get you all the records exist from the both the tables a and b. This is for inner join. Makes sense, huh? Yeah. Next one, right? Next, left join. So left join. Let me also take one more color. I think color. One second. I'll do one thing. Uh, I'll do one thing. I'll use different colors for let's say left join. I would say like green color, for example. Okay. And even when I type it down, so yeah, left join. Returns. So left join simply returns all the records from left table, that is a, that is a. Okay, and matching records, of b table. Does this make sense, huh? Yes, got it. Yeah. So let us write a query. So query is very simple. Select star from table, A table. So exactly, so everything else is same. Okay, just we will replace inner join with left join. That's it. Inner join with left join. So let's start from A, left join, B table. Got it? On. So why I'm giving like this, right? So that you'll easily understand. A dot ID equal to B dot ID. With example, I'll explain. Don't worry. So it's easy. Yeah, you understood this? Got it? And right. Next one, we will use other color for, let's say, blue color we have used already, right? Yeah, we can use any color. That's okay. And this is like a left join and right join. Got it? And let's write it out. Next, I think we should use some. That's okay. Right join. So when you want, you can select. Is it okay? Right join. No, this is like dull, right? I think we can use red. That's okay. Oh, okay, no problem. That would be auto selected, right? So, oh, got it. And then text. Next one is right join. So same thing, whatever we have learned on left, right? See, all records of A record, all records of A and match records with B. You got it? And left join means all records of B and match records of A. Got it right? Returns all the records of B and match records of A. Does this make sense? So that is right join. Yeah, all records of A table and match records of uh, sorry, all records of A and the match records of A table. Guys, makes sense, huh? Same queries, select star from A table. Got it? Right join, right join, B. Got it? On, on, A dot ID equal to B dot ID. Guys, this is make sense, huh? Naveen, does this make sense? Yeah, it's easy, right? Easy to remember. Yeah. So next one is yeah, full join. Right. So let me click over there. Yeah. Go here, select here, and let me choose this color. That's it. And let me type it down. So last one is full join. So we used to say like a full join actually, or full outer join. We used to say full join or full outer join. Okay, so both are fine. Both names are fine. Got it. So what we should full outer join means all records all records from both the tables, right? Did you see this? See all records from the both the table, including the uh, matched records. Got it? All records from both the tables. All records from both the tables. Got it? Yeah, that's it. Every record from all record from both the tables. Simple as that. Hmm. And yeah, we can think of like every record, like all record from both the tables, including the matching. Matching. When I say all record means it will comes under, but no, not specifically record. But yeah, no problem. No, it's easy to remember, right? This way. Got it? Yeah. And let me type it down. Yeah. So query is very simple. Same, guys. Query is everything else same. Select. Okay, I want to use black one. Select store from table A, full outer join, right? Full outer join B. Okay. On A dot ID equal to B dot ID. Got it. See, if someone want to read through it to understand the concept one more time to make you more comfortable, who want to go over SQL joins? The concept is SQL joins. Yeah. Who want to try? No one want to try. Yeah. Now at least read it. No, just look at the data and read it. That's fine. Hey team, are we connected or no? We're connected, right? Yeah. So, guys, if you remember only one place here, see if you look at this, only one place, right? Let's say inner join, left join, right join. Only this name is getting changed. Rest everything is same. Did you observe that? So in interview also they'll ask, hey, and when you're thinking of right, so you can think of A is the left table and B is the right table, okay, and with that imagination you can easily answer this question. So when it comes to the SQL joins, there are primarily four, and when it comes to two tables, let's say A table is left table and B is right table, and when it comes to inner join, so from left table and right table, all the matched records we will fetch. Because see, based on your understanding, right, you can construct your own data. It's not that you should only you should tell only this definition. No, you can once you understood, you can narrate with your own construct. You got it? So you can construct your own narration. So it would be so natural, right? Because it was constructed by you. Yeah. So when it comes to this, let's say A and B are left and right tables, and when it comes to inner join, so from left and right table, it will get all the match records. When it comes to left join, so in the name itself says left join, so it will get you all the records from matching with the left table. Sorry, all records of left table and the matched records with B table. Got it? And when it comes to right table, right join, so all records of right table and matched records with the left table, so that would get you the results. And when it comes to full join, it would get you all the records from A table and B table, which is right table and left table. Got it? Yeah. So you can narrate like this, guys. You can go with your own narration. That's really important. Yeah. It's not that you should by heart, not required. Here by heart it would not work. Yeah. Does this make sense, huh? Hmm? Sure. Yeah. I think we can get going now. Now that we understood the basic understanding of basic understanding of all the joints. So can we start doing it? So can we what I want to do is I want to create two tables, right? And experiment it because uh, see this understanding is very important. And now my job is very simple. What I'll do is I'll create a table and B table, just that, with the same naming convention. Got it? So let me go ahead and create it. So how I can create it? Go back here, right? I don't want to have everything else. So let me wipe it out. If you want to save, don't save, no problem. Oh, okay. I think I need to. I think I already I shared this information with you guys. No problem. I can close this off. Don't save. And now what I want to do is I want to create two tables. Let's say I want to ignore this and let me create two tables. Even see when it comes to this, right? Even here also you can do, but I don't want to do it there. Instead, yeah. So what is the create table, right? Table name. Let's say a table. Okay. Let's understand the same context. A table. Got it. And here ID, two things, right? ID and what is the other one? Let me think of when it comes to student, right? Think of A is student table and B is course table. Okay. So think of A is student table. Okay. In student table, uh, for example, student ID, correct? For example, student ID, and we should also mention the data type, correct? What's the data type? Integer, no? Correct? And student name, and what is the type? Varchar. It's just a character varying or varchar. You can use one actually, varchar. You got it? I'm done with it, guys. Got it? So this is one table where see, my thought process is that uh, A is a student table. A is a student table. Okay, here student ID will be there and student name will be there. You got it? Got it. And let me get one more table. The table name is B, and it's a course table, for example, course table. Okay. So here table name is B, and so student ID, that it is required because we need to see like which student has chosen which course, right? And here course name. We got it. Now did you understood two tables? So let me create one quickly. Done. And if I refresh, I should see the A table. You got it. And let me create one more table, which is B table. Refresh. Done. We got it. So now two tables got created. And if you see the table information, how you can do, right click and view all records, right? Now two tables are created. Yes, got it, huh? Yeah, two tables are created, A table and B table. Okay, and even if you want to see what is B table, right click on the table. So, guys, some people they used to make mistake here. They right click here and hey, Kumar, that option is not showing, but you have to right click on the table name actually. Got it? Right click on the table name and go beyond all the tables. If you don't want to try these options, right? Yeah, what is the best option? You can directly use select query. Select start from A, right? That's it. Like this. Select start from A or select start from B. So here public, right? So public here by default when we use default database default schema name, right? Schema will be by default it's a public. If did you see it here? So schemas under this schema only we created this table. By default, Postgres is the database. When you install it, right, it creates a Postgres default database, and in this, by default schema itself, public. Okay, so whatever table we created, it will create under public schema. Does this make sense? Yeah. Now, now what we have done, we have created two tables. It's clear, right? And now that what I want to do is I want to create a student information. Let's say um, insert insert data, insert data in the table. So what I want to do is, so how what is the query? Insert into, what is the table name? See here, directly drag like this. Got it? Insert into table name, and what columns you want to fill? You want to fill uh, you want to use student ID, comma, what is the other one? Student name. You got it? And for this, what are the values you want to insert? You have to insert in a position based. Let's say one comma. For example, let's say John Roy. Got it? And two comma. Oh, sorry, like this. Comma, two comma. Let's say Adriano. No, she's my best friend, guys. Okay, yeah. And three comma. Let's say Samesh, for example. All right. So now what we are doing, I'm trying to insert three records, guys. Did you see this? So when I go on the play, so inserted three records, right? In which table? Let's say A table. Select star from, what's the table name? You just drag it, that's it. So directly if you give A also, no problem actually. It's not a problem with this. Now did you see this, guys? So here a table getting created. Yeah, and then from now onwards, right, most likely we will play with this. I don't want to spend more time on the documentation. Okay, so when you do this, you do most likely I'll share this information, right? Or I'll try to get the information for you, no problem. Yeah, so A table is created now. A table is created and even data got inserted. Okay, and let me do one thing, and I want to keep this A records here, for example, and so that when I prepare note, it will be very easy for me. So creating a table, selecting it, inserting this data, right? Inserting into a table and then selecting into a table. Yeah, this way get data from a table. Here it is a case sensitive. So sorry, case insensitive table name. So you can use any name. Yeah, even I think if you use capital A also, for example, when you do this, it's a case insensitive, right? Still it fetches. Got it? Either way, you're good. Even if you don't remember this. By default, if you do this, also still it get you there. You got it? So by default, there is no other schema. We have only public schema. Got it? Yeah. And now that we inserted this one, now we want to do it for B table as well, right? So let me use the same query, insert into insert into here B, and student ID is required, right? So when it comes to B table, so it required two columns. One is student ID and course. Let's say student one, choose an, I think I want to remove the second portion of it from every record, right? And when it comes to this, so for example, let's say MPC, this guy is MPC guy, uh, or let's say, I think there is an MPC, BPC, HCC. I think there is a course like MPC, Maths, Science, History, all that. Anyway, that's okay. Let me do Maths, SCIENCE, Science, and Maths, Science, and let's say History. Maybe I don't have this, but just uh, see whatever the students we had here, 1, 2, 3. and we had a course. Let's say, for example, history, I don't want to match with any of the student, and this is student ID 4, for example. You got it? So here, student ID 1. So what my thought process is, John Doe chosen math. Uh, Next, Adriana chosen science, and I see, since I want to teach the concept, so that's where I given unknown name, unknown ID here, where student also not there here with this ID. You got it? Yeah, history. Now let me go ahead and create this record into the database. Oh, what happened? Oh, student name. No, it's course, right? Got it. So three records got inserted, and with the same, let's say, get the table from B. No, like this, you just organize the queries, guys. It will be more easier for you when you want to work on the table. So like one go, you can easily fetch. Got it? Did you see this? So table is getting inserted. Now let's understand this way, right? So inner join. What is inner join? Inner join returns only the records that exist in both the tables, right? So this is very easy. So select start from A, inner join B on A dot ID equal to B dot ID. You got it? So we should get these results, match the record from both the tables. Okay, let's try this, guys. Inner join. Okay, so when it comes inner join, so what is our query? Select star, select star from. You can do a select you can do a select star from, yeah, select star from A table. What is it? Inner join, right? Inner join on, yeah, inner join, yes, inner join, yeah, B on A dot ID equal to B dot ID. That's it, right? Yeah, we're done. So just do this, and if you see, you'll get the records, uh, column A dot ID. What is this? Is it double equal or single equal to? It's very hard. No, no, that's okay. One second. That's fine. Select star from, yes, select. Okay, I think instead of it says like A dot ID does not exist. Oh, my bad. See here, ID is what? ID is student ID, right? You got it? There is no, there is, I was thinking like ID we had. So here ID is what? Both the tables, we had student ID is the one, correct? That's what it's saying, complaining that a ID does not exist. Thank you so much. Let me go and replace ID with this. Got it. And did you get it, Priyanka? Understood, huh? Right. See? So store means what? Store means you already know all record from A and B table. You got it? And so now I don't want to display everything, right? I don't see here there is duplicates, right? Let's say student ID duplicated. Two times student ID got duplicated, isn't it? In this case, what we can do is this way we don't for looking also it's not good. So what we do is join. So instead of this, we will only fetch the columns of A. For example, let's say I'll also keep it and say not recommended way. Recommended. Okay. Now inner join. So what I'm going to do here, so instead of star, so I will be very clear about A. From A table, I need a student ID, okay, and comma, and A table, I also want to display the student name, right? Student name also should be there, right? Correct? And B table, what we need actually? Only course details are enough, correct? B dot, what is it? Course details. So that what will happen is when we do inner join and do a select query, right, in this, so you will get only the student ID, student name, and course. Got it? Yeah, this way. Did you understood how inner join works, team? If you put star, if you put star, it would get you all the records. And since I don't want to get you get all the records, right? So that's why I just mentioned like this. But when you're doing this, uh, I think query should, if you write like this, it will be more, easy to remember. You got it? Select columns from table, inner join another table, right table on, let's say left table student ID equal to right table student ID. Does this make sense? And it matches with this, right? See, matches record from A and B tables. You got it? So if you see student number 4, right? Let's say we had 1, 2, 3, right? So when you do this, let's understand this. So when you do this, how many records are there in A table? There are 3 records are there, correct? And what is the extra record here? Samir. Three Samir, right? But when you go to B table, so what is B table has, right? It also has information, but 1 to 4 here. So 4 in the previous in the A table, in the left table, we have ID 3, and here we have ID 4. That's why it is not matching. When we do a inner join, what it does, it would omit these 2 records. You got it? So four history record will be omitted. I think I think I'll capture and prepare a notes, guys. That will be more fun, right? So let me do one thing quickly. Let me help you out creating notes itself. Yeah, if you look at the table data, let's say table A, table A and table B, for example. Got it? And in table A, oh, yeah. So what I'll do is let me print table because visually, I think I'm sure that this might confuses you. So that's where I just want to make sure we are in good phase. So capture this. I think this is not a good way to do it. Let me pin it and take it out one more time. And this time I want to capture only this data. Copy and, for example, this A table. Got it? And when I do same thing and get you the B table, capture it. Oh, I can minimize like this. Mhm. It is not equally, but but anyway, that's fine. Okay, so we can check that later. And for this, what is the first join? Inner join, right? Inner join. So when I go and execute it, let me also take you the inner join results. Got it? And when I do this, Guys, did you understand the inner join? See here, we have table A and table B. It would get you the matched record from both the tables, right? Here, what are the matched records? Student IDs, right? Student ID 2, correct? Did you see this? It will match with the ID of, let's say, left table is A and right table is B, and it will match with the IDs. See here, in the left table, we have ID 1, and it matches with ID 1, and right table, we have, sorry, left table, we have ID 2, and match with ID of right table. That's where it is showing John Doe, like no ID 1, 2, right? Here ID 1, 2. So John Doe, and what is the course? Max. Adreno, what is the student ID 2? What is the course here? Science. That's it. And it is not matching with the letter 3 is not matching, and even 4 is not matching. So that's why it got omitted. At least now it is clear, huh? Yeah. So let me also do one thing. Let me capture this and save it for you. I think if I do this not here, if I do this here, it sounds good. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. So this is about inner join. Okay. Now, if I do this, then rest of the things are very easy, right? Next one is left join, right? Same thing, left. That's it. When I do this left join, what is the left join means? Left join means all record from A table and match record with B table. You got it? Yeah. So when I do this left join, did you see this? All record from A table. So A table anyway, we have three records, right? See, all records from A table and match records with see here. So let me do one thing. So if I go back here, if we do a left join, right? Left join is this one, and capture it for you. Copy. Yeah, I think we can maximize it, but no problem. I don't want to do any stunts there. Okay. So when it comes to left join, see what is mean actually? All records, right? All records from right table, correct? And match a record with B table, correct? And if you see all records means what? 1, 2, 3, correct? So, but when it comes to matches, John Doe, maths, Adriano, science. But when it comes to Samir, what is Samir? Samir does not have any, let's say three student ID. We don't have anything here, right? Then what it in matches? If not matches, it will fill with null actually on the core section. That's what you are seeing on here. Got it? Any confusion? No? Or you're fine? Hmm. Yeah. So this is a result of it. Yep. No, anyway, I'll share this document with you. Yeah. Next one is what? Right join. Same query instead of this one. Let me do a right join and say this. Did you see this? Every record from where? B table, correct? From the right table and match a record with the A table. But if you see, so student ID, if you see, for example, for student number 4, right? History is student number 4, correct? I'll do one thing. Let me. Hey, someone is driving. Okay. Next one is right join. right join. So again, let me take the data from both the tables. Yeah, we can alter this data later actually. I don't want to sit for more time on this. Okay. So when it comes to right join, here capture this right join data, copy, I not accepting, delete and reinsert. Okay. And what is the result of it? So if you want to find the results, so this is a right join, right? Yeah. If you look at this, guys, it's very simple. When you do a right join means what? See all records of A and match the records of B. Sorry, all records of B and match the records of A, correct? Because B is right and A is left. Understood? So all records 1, 2, 3, 4. Math, science, history. Math, science. Got it? And when it comes when it comes to the student ID 4, we don't have any student name. Understood? So ID number 4 it shows, but when it comes to the student name section, so there is no person is there. You got it? So it would in the student name section it would fill as null. Even ID. Let's say history. So for this person, for this particular course, we don't have any data because we this student ID from where? This student ID from A class, right? So if you mention B, right, for example, then it would get you the student ID of B. One second. So did you see this? You got the student ID of B. So here I mentioned the A student ID. That's where it is like even you can mention here when it comes to A student ID, comma B B dot. You can also mention to B dot student student dot ID, not ID underscore ID. We got it this way. Yeah, makes sense, huh? But if you don't want to see like this, let's say not required for now. I think we should be good. And even don't want to go like that. But yeah, so when you want to do this student IDs, right, you can check like this as well. And instead of that, if you put star, it would display all the things. But at least you can relate, right? You can you're understanding, right, how why it is printing four in this and null in this, because this student ID blocks only meant for this is of A class, sorry, A table, and this is of B table. Okay. In Pythonic way, we used to speak in classes. In class, we define attributes and methods, right? So, yeah, these are attributes. Got it? But that's okay. No, we don't want to talk about now. But that's like a heads up. Yeah, sure. Left join, right? This is the right one, and this is the left one. Yep. Samir does not belong to any of the ID. So if you go and check it, so in the left join, so Samir is a person, but he does not. Oh, okay. One second. I think it's not good, I guess. Okay, no problem. So Samir is a person, he is not belonging to any course because Samir number is 3 and here course we don't have any 3 course, right? Student ID does not have any, Samir ID is not matching with any of the course. That's where it is displaying null. Yeah, got it. Yeah. So right join also you guys are clear now, is it? Yeah. So I'll put only again A student ID because we had used the same example for everything. But you can put anything, what we can say. So my thought process is even if you want to put everything, let's say A dot student ID, A dot student name, comma B dot student ID, comma B dot course name. You can put anything that should work. If you put star, then it would get you everything. Yeah. So since you already aware, right? So I don't want to stress too much on that. Yeah, clear, huh? Clear with right join also, correct? Next, left join. Sorry, full outer join. Full join, we can say. So same thing, full outer join. Yeah. So here, now what is full outer join? If we go here, so full join or full outer join, you can say, and it would get you every record from A and B table. And if there is nothing was there, then it will fill null actually. Let me print it. Let me execute it so that you'll get so much clarity on that. And before that, let me take these two tables. Oh, right join, I didn't add it. 1 second, let me get the right join. This is right join, right? Yep. Go here, copy, and we go back here. Oh, what did you? Okay, yeah, here. This is the results, right? Yep, got it. Those are results. Yeah. Next one is full join, full outer join. Okay, so when it comes to full outer join, again, let me take both. I think now it got fitted, I guess, properly. We have two tables, and when it comes to sorry, full join. So here, full outer join. Now you'll understand. It would get you, what is that? On full outer join B on yeah, what is that? Syntax correct incorrect, huh? Why it's not happy? Syntax error at end of input on full outer join. That's correct only. Full outer, okay. Outer join B on, yes. Yeah, I don't see any issue in this. Oh, correct. Maybe I was executing wrongly. Yeah. Now, did you see this? Every record from A table and B table. Did you see this? A table, this is like A student IDs, right? And if you see, you are saying, let's say it is matching. Whatever matching it is getting printed. Let's say 1, 2 is the match, correct? And 3, 4 is not matched, correct? But it get you all the records. But wherever there is a field is not there, then it would set it to, for example, Samir does not belong to any course. It set that field to null. You got it? And history. For history, no student has chosen, right? History, no student is chosen because when it comes to the table, right? So Samir is 3 and there is no one is chosen of history, correct? For this history, no person has chosen. That's where it got came as null. Yes, clear, huh? Any confusion with this? Yeah, you can use full. Yeah, not only for this, everything for any query you can use star. And you guys can take that up as a assignment, right? So it would be more fun, That's what, since you understood what to be used, since it is select means what? Just fetching the data. You can fetch data in any way, right? You can get it in a full data, or you can limit one. You want to limit only certain fields. You can, since we are learned, right? You can apply all the concept here. And I don't know how much time you guys taken out yesterday's practice, correct? So that is also one thing we need to work actually, right? Yeah. Yes, we're done. So anything else actually? Any doubts on this? Joins. No, any confusion from anyone? Nafis, any confusion on this? You good? Oh, mm-hmm. Union, right? Union is like again getting all getting records. I think it's like full join only, right? Union all. Yeah, full join. You're correct. No, no, name only. Union. See, that's what this is the intersection. Inner join is intersection, and full join is the union. Hmm. Hmm. Full. That's what. So as mentioned, right? See, that's where there is something called order by. That's what we missed. So let me do it. One second, guys. One concept we missed, right? Order by, right? So order by class. Let's say, imagine there are. I think in this we can't use. We can apply. And let's say, let me use one more table. Yeah, here we have another table, right? That is student information. Let me see the data what it has. Yeah, here. So you can use this one, this style actually. Select start from. For example, let's say you want think about this scenario, right? Let me change the person ID to 11, for example, or add one more column. For example, let's say uh, not adding a row, right? So if I go back here, columns, and in this column section, I just want to create a column here. Or you can do it in the script way also, like the way which we have written, right? That way also we can do. Okay, let's say salary, for example, or quantity, for example, quantity, right? And here definition, we need to select what data type it is. So quantity is like integer, right? So here, that's it. Once you save it, the one field will be added, right, in this. And when you go and select all rows, it will get you all the rows. And currently this is enabled, right? See here. And quantity, for example, I want to see, let's say amount 2. Yeah, I think it's not it's not product, but I'm just giving an example. Let's say 11, 5, 2, again 15, uh, 76. Yeah, you can name anything. 10. Okay. And if this is the case, right, you can save it. And now what you can do is you can write your own query. So SQL query, and here what you want to do is you want to get top 10 products, right? For example, let's say there are n number of records. So select star from, what is the table name? Student info. You got it. And now what is it? Now what you want to do? You want to uh, get you the highest sole product, right? So it's on from the table where uh, I think one second, from table order by, order by, let's say quantity, correct? Order by quantity. So order by quantity, and which is like descending order. Let's say if you do ascending order, you will get from lower, right? Let's do this. Yeah. So currently, did you see this? You are getting this information, right? You are ordering it by the quantity, right? So 76, 15. This is right. Now, for example, if you want last top one product, let's say top two products, for example, then so we learned limit, correct? Limit two. So what it does is it would get you the top two products. Let's say which is 76 and 15. The quantity of Sol was 76. That is Goldsmith, and 15 for Emma. You got it? Does this make sense? Huh? Yeah. Offset is, yes, offset is something that let's say if there are once again, so in the same query, when you want to do this order by descending, for example, I'm just highlighting this alone and executing it. And here there are how many records are there? Six records, correct? Six records. And let's say if you want to get you the, let's say you want to start from let's say this record number is 0 and this is the number is correct. So if you say like offset, if you mention offset, let's say for example 2, for example, right? So mhm, got it, got it. Yeah. So it's offset. See, the offset is starts from, if you look at this, right? So there are an based on the query. So this is a query, and so what we are doing, we were setting offset, like offset starts from 0, right? Yeah, got it. How it is getting? Yeah. So in general, that's what as mentioned, right? So in SQL query, we don't use these things actually. Okay. So but when it comes to the Pythonic way, in the application side, we write all those things in Pythonic style. You got it? Even though if you know these things here in SQL or not, that's a different story. Not that's okay for interview, but application side we will write it in like completely alchemy style. You know, Pythonic way of writing SQL query. You got it? Yeah. Any other questions, guys? Any from anyone? Good, very good, right? Yeah. And one more thing, actually, one more join is there. There's something called Cartesian join or something, right? Uh, Cartesian join. So what it does is, yeah, that's the interview question actually. I remember. Once again, I used to ask if I don't want to select anyone, so I'll ask Cartesian join. Sorry. So what Cartesian join is, what Cartesian join does is, it would match with all the, Cartesian join, Cartesian product. Oh, that's a cross join. Yes, cross join means, for example, let's say, um, I don't know how to draw that. Hmm, that's weird. So once again, let me show you. Let me help you out how to draw. Let's say Cartesian join means, so not Cartesian, cross join, right? Cross join means matching with any record. See, for example, what is the possible way of here? Once again, let me, yeah, here. So all possible combinations. Let's say first record matches with any record here. It matches with every record. Let's say what is the possibility? Three possibilities, right? You got it? John Doe, math, science, history. Adriana, math, science, history. Samir, math, science, history. Did you got it? So meaning matching with all combinations. That's what the cross join talks about. Okay, let me show you with the query so that it would be more fun. Uh, Here, where is it? Oh, where is our join queries here? Hmm, not. I didn't even save it, I guess. But I think I get it in the history anyway. Yeah, copy to query editor. Yes, go there. Yes. So as mentioned, like the other one is cross join, right? Cross join B. So it would get you all combinations of A and B. Cross join B on, what is cross join syntax? The same thing only. Like I don't know. I don't know the syntax. Cross join in SQL. See, that's what I'm saying, right? A cross join is a type of join that returns the Cartesian product of the rows from the table in the join. In other words, it combines each row from the first table with each row from the second table. That's what I was talking about, right? So each row from the first table, let's say for example, first row, and it matches with all the rows. Second row matches with all the rows. Third row, all the rows. So total, how many it will come? It will come 9 rows. You got it, huh? So this how many for first one, 3 rows. Second one, 3 rows, like that. Let me let us get the syntax. Once again. Yeah, this is a cross join, right? Cross join. Oh, okay. We don't want to we don't want to put on and all, right? Got it. Because it will match with anything, no? You got it? That's a catch. Yeah, no problem. So one pointer cross join does not have any on flag. So total 9 records should be there. Guys, got it, huh? Yeah, yeah, makes sense. So what I'll do is I'll just grab some data from here and prepare notes in the notes. Actually, that so when it comes to cross join, right, it comes when paint, right, it comes in differently. It will match with some cross. Um, I want to do it once again. Otherwise, you may be thinking how to do it, right? So when it comes to when I go here, so where's shapes? Yeah, here's the shape, the first shape, right, and second shape. Or for example, let me keep like this cross join, okay? And what it does is it has the records, right? So one, for example, two, three, four. Let's say 4 records are there. I think originally it is three only. No shit. Again, it will confuses you. Let's say one, two, and what is the next record? Four, right? The student ID is four. You got it? And this is A table, and this is B table. Guys, did you understood? Now, what it does in the um, cross join, right? Let me name it. Let me name it here. Say cross join. So what it does is it matches with this and matches with this and matches with this. This one also matches with this, matches one, matches with two, matches with three. Got it? Matches with one, matches with two, matches with last. Guys, got it, huh? Is it clear? Yeah, that's why we got 4 records. Sorry, 9 records because uh, each one is matching with three, three, right? So 3 items are there. Three into three, it is 9. Yeah. So I think text also. I'll do one thing instead of copying there also. Yeah, this makes more sense. And when I do here, got it. And the syntax for do this is Just cross and paste. That's it. You don't need to do anything else extra. Got it? Yeah, we're good, right? We're good with this data also. Yeah. Yep. See, see the first record matching with all math, science, and history. Second record, though they're not. But for example, even Samir is not part of science, right, or maths, anything. So it matches with every record from left table. It matches with every record of the right table. Yeah, I think if you put star, then it will be more clear for you. Once again, let me do that. Now, did you understood? See, first record matching with student ID 1, 2. Even though it's not matching, it's still matched with this. Did you got it? That's why it is talking, right? The first is talking 1, 2, also 4. Got it? Yeah. Is it clear for everyone? Guys, is it clear or no? Hmm. Sure. So that's all I have for now, guys. So you have a lot of things to practice. I really want to see your practice stuff as well, right? Because the responsibility which I had, right? You also had a equal responsibility. Understood? So it's important that you should practice. Also prepare notes. Prepare notes. Or I'm okay if you just send me the queries and your level of understanding on that topic. That's also really sounds good actually. Got it? Sure. Sounds good. All right, guys. Thank you so much. And you already have this information, right? So I'll be sharing the notes along with all the pictures which I captured today. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Take care.